Welcome to our channel where we explore the transformative power of habits to enhance your life. Today, we are diving into the topic of 7 habits to transform your life, focusing on productivity and self-improvement. In this video, we will discuss 7 key habits that, when implemented consistently, can lead to significant positive changes in your life. These habits are not just theoretical concepts but practical strategies backed by scientific insights to help you achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. The 7 habits we will be exploring include setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks effectively, practicing mindfulness, cultivating a growth mindset, maintaining a healthy work-life balance, fostering positive relationships, and taking care of your physical and mental well-being. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can experience increased productivity, reduced stress, improved focus, enhanced creativity, and overall well-being. We will delve into each habit, providing actionable tips and strategies to help you integrate them into your life seamlessly. Join us on this journey as we uncover the secrets to unlocking your full potential and transforming your life for the better. Be sure and subscribe to the channel for more motivational content. Now, let's get started. Habit 1. Setting clear goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is the foundation for personal growth and productivity. When you have specific and measurable goals in place, you give yourself a roadmap to success and a clear direction to follow. One of the key benefits of setting specific and measurable goals is that it provides you with clarity and focus. By knowing exactly what you want to achieve, you can prioritize your tasks and allocate your time and resources effectively. This clarity helps you stay motivated and committed to your goals, even when faced with challenges or distractions. To make your goals more manageable and attainable, it's essential to break them down into smaller actionable steps. This approach not only makes the goals less overwhelming but also allows you to track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Scientific research has shown that goal setting can significantly impact motivation and success. When you set challenging yet achievable goals, you are more likely to push yourself beyond your comfort zone and strive for excellence. Additionally, having clear goals enhances your sense of purpose and direction, leading to increased satisfaction and fulfillment in your endeavors. By mastering the habit of setting clear goals, you can unlock your full potential and propel yourself towards a more productive and fulfilling life. Habit 2. Prioritizing tasks effectively. Effective task prioritization is essential for maximizing efficiency and maintaining focus in your daily life. One powerful strategy for prioritizing tasks is the Eisenhower matrix, a tool that categorizes tasks based on their urgency and importance. By using this matrix, you can identify high-priority tasks that require immediate attention, allowing you to focus your time and energy on what truly matters. In addition to the Eisenhower matrix, there are various techniques you can use to prioritize tasks effectively. One approach is to start your day by listing out all your tasks and then identifying the most critical ones that align with your goals and objectives. By focusing on these high-priority tasks first, you can make significant progress towards your long-term aspirations. Minimizing distractions is another key aspect of effective task prioritization. By setting boundaries, such as turning off notifications or creating dedicated work blocks, you can create a conducive environment for deep work and concentration. This practice enables you to tackle important tasks without interruptions, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Research has shown a strong correlation between task prioritization and productivity. By prioritizing tasks effectively, individuals can better manage their time, make informed decisions, and achieve their goals more efficiently. Embracing the habit of prioritizing tasks can have a profound impact on your overall performance and success. Habit 3. Cultivating a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is a powerful habit that can significantly impact your personal development and overall success. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work, as opposed to a fixed mindset, which believes that traits are innate and unchangeable. By embracing a growth mindset, you open yourself up to endless possibilities for learning, growth, and improvement. Adopting a growth mindset can lead to increased resilience and a willingness to take on challenges. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, individuals with a growth mindset see them as opportunities for learning and growth. This mindset shift enables them to bounce back from adversity, adapt to change, and persevere in the face of obstacles. Scientific research has highlighted the numerous benefits of cultivating a growth mindset. Studies have shown that individuals with a growth mindset are more likely to seek out feedback, take on new challenges, and ultimately achieve higher levels of success. By believing in the power of effort and perseverance, Individuals with a growth mindset are better equipped to overcome obstacles, develop new skills, and reach their full potential. Embracing a growth mindset can pave the way for continuous growth and personal development in all areas of life. Habit 4. Practicing mindfulness and self-care. Practicing mindfulness and self-care is crucial for maintaining overall well-being and enhancing productivity in your daily life. Mindfulness involves being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings, while self-care encompasses activities that promote physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Engaging in mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, can have a profound impact on your overall health and productivity. These practices help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance mental clarity. By taking the time to quiet your mind and tune into the present moment, you can cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace that can positively influence your productivity and decision-making. In addition to mindfulness practices, incorporating self-care activities into your routine is essential for managing stress and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Self-care tips such as getting enough sleep, eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and setting boundaries can help recharge your energy levels and boost your overall well-being. Research has shown that mindfulness and self-care practices can lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction. By prioritizing your mental and physical health, you can improve your focus, creativity, and problem-solving abilities, ultimately leading to enhanced performance in all areas of your life. Embracing mindfulness and self-care as daily habits can have a lasting positive impact on your overall well-being and productivity. Are you enjoying this motivational and actionable content? Be sure to like and subscribe. Habit 5. Building strong relationships. Building strong relationships is a fundamental aspect of personal growth and success. Meaningful connections with others not only enrich our lives but also play a crucial role in our overall well-being and productivity. Communication and empathy are key components in fostering strong relationships, whether in personal or professional settings. Effective communication involves active listening, expressing thoughts and feelings openly, and practicing empathy towards others. By cultivating these skills, you can deepen your connections with others, build trust, and create a supportive environment that nurtures personal growth and success. To foster positive relationships, it's essential to prioritize quality time with loved ones, show appreciation and gratitude, and be willing to offer support when needed. In professional settings, building strong relationships with colleagues and mentors can lead to collaboration, innovation, and career advancement. Research has consistently shown the positive impact of social support on well-being. Studies have demonstrated that individuals with strong social connections experience lower levels of stress, improved mental health, and increased overall happiness. By investing in building strong relationships, you not only enhance your personal growth and success but also contribute to a fulfilling and meaningful life. Habit 6. Continuous learning and development. Embracing continuous learning and skill development is essential for achieving personal and professional goals in today's rapidly evolving world. Lifelong learning not only expands your knowledge and capabilities but also enhances your adaptability, creativity, and overall success. To achieve personal growth and stay ahead in your career, it's crucial to seek out new knowledge and experiences regularly. Whether it's through online courses, books, workshops, or networking events, exposing yourself to diverse perspectives and learning opportunities can broaden your horizons and unlock new possibilities for growth and development. There are numerous resources available for continuous learning, including online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning, where you can access a wide range of courses on various subjects. Additionally, reading books, attending seminars, and participating in skill-building workshops can provide valuable insights and practical skills to help you thrive in your personal and professional life. Being a lifelong learner offers numerous benefits in today's fast-paced world, including increased adaptability, improved problem-solving skills, enhanced creativity, and a competitive edge in the job market. By committing to continuous learning and development, you not only invest in yourself but also position yourself for long-term success and fulfillment in all aspects of your life. Habit 7. Practicing gratitude and positivity. Practicing gratitude and maintaining a positive mindset can have a profound impact on shaping your outlook on life and enhancing your overall well-being. By cultivating a mindset of gratitude and positivity, you can transform your perspective, increase your resilience, and experience greater happiness and fulfillment. Research has shown that practicing gratitude and focusing on the positive can have significant psychological benefits. Gratitude has been linked to improved mental health, reduced stress levels, increased resilience, and enhanced overall well-being. By acknowledging and appreciating the good things in your life, you can shift your focus from what's lacking to what you have, fostering a sense of contentment and inner peace. To cultivate a grateful attitude and optimistic mindset, consider incorporating practical exercises into your daily routine. Keeping a gratitude journal, expressing appreciation to others, practicing mindfulness, and reframing negative thoughts into positive affirmations are all effective ways to nurture gratitude and positivity in your life. Studies have consistently shown a strong correlation between gratitude, happiness, and overall well-being. By embracing the habit of practicing gratitude and positivity, you can elevate your mood, improve your relationships, and enhance your overall quality of life. Embracing gratitude and positivity as daily habits can lead to transformative changes in your mindset and outlook on life. In conclusion, the 7 habits discussed in this video are powerful tools for personal growth and transformation, emphasizing the importance of productivity and self-improvement in achieving your life goals. By implementing these habits into your daily routine, you can unlock your full potential, enhance your well-being, and create a more fulfilling life. Throughout this video, we have explored practical advice and scientific insights on setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks effectively, cultivating a growth mindset, practicing mindfulness and self-care, building strong relationships, embracing continuous learning, and practicing gratitude and positivity. These habits are not just theoretical concepts but actionable steps that can lead to transformative changes in your life. I encourage you to take the first step towards personal growth and transformation by incorporating these habits into your daily life. By committing to continuous learning, self-improvement, and positive mindset shifts, you can create a life filled with purpose, joy, and success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others to spread the message of transformative habits. Together, we can inspire and empower others to embark on their own journey of personal growth and transformation.